Okay, welcome to the 45-degree hollow body. So this is an intermediate core exercise and it's all about tension. So make sure that you've got the 90-degree really good because we want to keep contact with the lower back into the ground when we're doing this, and I'll show you what that means in a moment here. So 90 degree is straight up. Now we're going to go to 45. Now sometimes the tendency is for the lower back to come off the ground. We don't want that, so we got to make sure we're keeping the lower back in contact with the ground, and exhale, compress, push into the ground really hard. Challenge yourself here. Create as much tension. Connect your mind to your core as much as possible. You can bring your arms up. Make it as super intense, super intense. Get the most out of the movement. All right, well done.